Hi, good morning, guys. So let me share my screen. Just one moment. Yes, now we both are on same page. The situation here is exactly similar to yesterday's situation. Nifty opened gap up and it is stuck in a range. Nifty has successfully crossed R2, that is resistance 2, and I'm waiting for this red candle, the running red candle, to close, and I will be initiating the trade after 17,800. Right now it is trading at 17,890. If anything above 17,900, so there will be a very easy move of 30 points with which we will be able to have a profit of 10 to 12 points. So right now I have 17,850 call option. I have that call option in my watch list, and even this is very much above the VWAP and both the exponential moving averages like 8 and 21. So let's see where exactly we get an entry. So the right entry will be somewhere above 91 and right exit will be 104. We can enter, we can buy above 91 to a target of 104 and stop loss will be 81. Guys, please watch this video till the end. So you will be able to initiate or you will be able to do your own trades. You need not have to watch again, or I need not have to be a mentor for you. So very simple. It's if 17,900 is successfully broken, then I will buy the index. Most of the sectors are in green. Let me check the sectorial indices. Yes, every sector is in green. Bank Nifty is just 0.01. Bank Nifty is 0.01. Except media, every other sector is almost below 0.5. Tomorrow is the weekly expiry, so we need to be very careful before we initiate any trade. Maybe this will take a resistance from 8 exponential moving average. 955 candle should take resistance from 8 exponential moving average. If that doesn't take resistance from 8 exponential moving average, it will take resistance from R1, which is 17,850. Now we can very easily initiate a trade above 17,892. 17,892 Nifty Index. If it comes above, then we can initiate a buy trade. Yesterday we were able to grab just 10 points, but after we squared off our positions. The call option which we bought went till 130. Actually, we squared off at 125. So, but it went another 5 points. It's okay. So 10 points is good. Yesterday, I did not hit the stop loss. Today, I have still not initiated any trade. I'm waiting for the right entry. 17,891. If index touches 17,892, then I will buy a call option just for 10 points. So now let's see what's there in 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes time frame. It is better to initiate a trade above 17,900 instead of initiating a trade at 17,892. It's better to initiate above 17,900. Above 91. Above 91, I will buy 17,850 call option. Above 91. See, this is so cute at on a 5 minutes time frame. This has taken support from exactly from the VWAP. This black line is VWAP. So now it is approaching our yes, 90. Let me initiate a trade. Above 90. Stop loss 80. Target 102. 102 is my target. Yes, my thing is active. Right now it is active. My trade is active. A strong green candle is getting formed. So 17,900. So I'm expecting till 17,920. The market should go 17,920. Let's see. If for any reason, if the candle is closing below R1, I'm sorry, below R2, then I have to exit this trade. Then I will exit this trade. Theta is very much inactive. Theta is always never in favor of option buyer. So another 19 points, 18 to 19 points, I will exit the trade. 18 to 19 points, I will exit the trade. Yes, right now it is somewhere around 94. So it went till 94, 92, 102. So 102, I have to exit. I have justified the reason for me to buy this call option. So please wait till the end. It may take another 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe in another 10 minutes, we will be able to get our profit. So another 10 points, that's it. So please hold on. Watch this video till the end. You may get some tip. 17,900. 17,900 is acting as a resistance, and I am expecting index to reach 17,920. When index reaches 17,920, we will be out of the trade. So just 20 points. So let's see how these indices are doing. Yes, Bank Nifty is recovering. It was 0.01, now it has become 0.12. Yes, even media also 1.54, and some of the indices are close to, but still nothing close to zero point 0.5. Let's see. And not for another 15 points. That's more than enough for me. Another 15 points, I am there. I am out of this trade. So right now it is trading at 94. We have bought at 90. Now it's at 95. So 102. So 102 is not too far away. So we will be able to reach our target like yesterday. It's the same scenario like yesterday. Even yesterday we initiated a trade above R2, that is resistance 2, formed by the CPR, the central pivot range. I have three indicators on my chart. One is CPR, central pivot range, and another one is 21 exponential moving average in red color, and my green color states 8 exponential moving average. 8 EMA is in green color. So I'm expecting just 15 points move in index, which will take us to our profits, which will make us profitable. I'm very much sure that we are in profit today. But we have to wait. So theta is very active. So that's the reason why from 94, 95. So it went till 95.50, and right now it is trading at 93.50. Not an issue, not an issue, not an issue. So another 15 points. Friends, if you are happy with my trading strategy, so please share this video to your friends. And you can also comment below in the comment box if you wish to know more about the trades. I only initiate trade in Nifty Index because I'm happy and I'm comfortable with Nifty Index. Don't be greedy and don't be in a frequency of fear. Don't worry, we are in profit today. Even yesterday, we were able to take 10 points. Today, I'm sure that we will be able to take 12 points. We will take 12 points today. Another 14 points, that's it. Nothing more. That's very easy. Now, let me see what is the thing. So it is 95, again 95. So it went till 96. So 96, another 8 points, nothing to worry. Another 8 points, it's very easy. I have justified the reason why I initiated this trade. The reason why I let me tell you again, the reason why I initiated this trade is because all the candles closed above R2, that is resistance 2 on CPR, and trading well above 8 exponential moving average on 5 minutes time frame. I have taken 5 minutes time frame. Just one small jump will going to make us a profit. Will One small jump will make us to get out of this trade with profit. The only reason why we trade is because to earn profit. When you are initiating a trade, be very confident. If you are confident, then you are profitable. Never ever think of losing a trade. Just think always that you are profitable in every trade. To have that confidence, you need to analyze the market first. Only after thorough analysis, you will get that kind of confidence to initiate a trade. If for any reason, any candle closing below R2, then I am out of this trade. I will exit this trade. Today market will touch 19,000, 17,940. From 17,940, we can expect some reversal. So just 15 points, we will be out of the trade. 17,920, we are out of the trade. That's it. Very simple. Oh, so this is at 95. 95 and 102. 102, 102, 102. Just 5, 6 points. That's it. Not more than that. I just want a small move. 17,908 and 17,915. I'm sorry, 17,920. 17,920. We will be out of the trade. Another 10 more points. That's it. I'm so excited today to initiate this trade. Keep this excitement going. Every day, we should be in profit. Yes, we are out of the trade. Okay. 102. I bought at 90 and we are out of the trade. 102 is done and dusted. Guys, do you have any questions? So you can post your questions in the comment box below. So I will reply each of your question. Every question of yours will be answered. We bought at 90.90 and right now it is trading at 102. So we have achieved 12 points. Thank you so much for participating in this live trade, and I request you all to share if you like this, and I also request you to subscribe my channel Nifty Nanju. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye.